Haka arpu pratrik unai wing ahaja apwa romentri rangba kejalau kon ke sangma ulapen syai bagashnong mukro kahap po kejalam megalaya hindre gidan katu kat ni kijaka ki bakham shakmat jong mukro ki bahap hakaja kajaput kini kijaka ki kentup e kapsiar ka khanduli barkathan block 1 but block 2.
We've been very clear that Mukro and even the maps that we've been given, we have clearly stated, even from the 2011 reports, Mukro is very much in Meghalaya. The areas beyond that, if you meters or exact distance, I would not know, but ahead of Mukro, then starts the area of PCR Khanduli, which is there as area of differences, and then from the PCR Khanduli area, that section, then starts the block 1, block 2 section out there. So therefore, Mukro itself is very much in Meghalaya. There's no question about that.